Replace seatbelt buckles in a 2007 Toyota 4Runner. This 2007 Toyota 4Runner has a couple of bad seatbelt buckles. We're going to be replacing it with original Toyota 4Runner parts. For this job, all you need is the brand new seatbelt from Toyota, which includes the original bolt and a ratchet with a long, deep 14 millimeter socket. When we access and open the and we see, all we need to do is remove that bolt over there. And put the new one back in. Tight the bolt properly. And make sure they latch and unlatch properly.